Yeah, the PSA sensor with the camera, super easy to install. It's just like a normal sort of PIR sensor. Yeah, the actual account setup and the QR codes, etc., they were super easy. As long as you got a good Wi-Fi signal, it worked really, really well. I picked this client in particular because I had priced up a standard CCTV system, and due to the construction of the house, it's quite an interesting build with lots of curved roof lines and stuff, and it was just going to be a really difficult process to install cabling. So I also suggested some sensor lighting after they were burgled during a renovation, and this product literally came across my desk the other week and it really piqued my interest, and I suggested it to the client as, well, more of a cost-saving measure, but something that could really get them out of trouble really quickly and easily, and yeah, it seems to have worked really well so far. Product overall seems really solidly built. I think it's really easy to install. Yeah, the instruction manual just to set it up was super easy, so yeah, 5 stars on that one.